Hello everyone.
Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can do both of these trends on TikTok. So let us start. To do the first trend, first open the TikTok and then go to search option and search striking face filter. After that you can find the filter on top of your list. If you don't see the filter there, then click on any one of the video and then click on filter option available above the username. Now click on use this effect and record your video like this.
Ashley! Look at...
Now to do this type of trend you need Capcut template. So search for Ashley look at me Capcut template on search option, and after that here you will find the videos which are made with Capcut template.
Now click on any one of the video and then click on try this template option above the username. Now click on use template in Capcut and then click on use template and add the required number of photos from your gallery and then click on preview. Now check your video and then export. Now you're ready to share.
Thanks for watching.
Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.